After her hair got damaged, she cut her hair very low. Let me say she did a big chop. She then decided to try some of my DIY recipes using natural ingredients to grow her hair. And within 2 months, her hair is really growing fast. She's a happy person now. If I tell you these natural ingredients work, girl, they do work. Ever since my hair got damaged and I did the big chop as you see, my hair is flourishing. And that is her goal. She wants to grow her hair as fast as I did grow my hair. In today's video, I'm going to show you one recipe that I have used to help her grow her hair. If you really want to know how I do this, make sure you're watching to the end. Let's do this. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back. And if you're one of my subscribers, girl, you know how we do it here. Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up right now. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs like these, you will be notified. On this channel, I do simple DIYs that can help you grow your hair much faster using natural ingredients. I also do simple hairstyle tutorials, so it's always jamming on here. Make sure you join us by subscribing. Alright, so let's go on to the recipe. Our first ingredient is the flaxseed. Flaxseed contains vitamin E, which is really great for hair growth. I'm going to tell you more benefits of flaxseeds later on in this video. Our next ingredient is the star anise. This ingredient is really great for our natural hair. It can help boost hair growth by preventing hair damages, split ends, or any scalp issues. Just pause the video, take a picture, or write the name down, and you can easily find it at your local grocery store or your local market. There are many ways you can use this natural ingredient. You can also use it to make oil. They have oils made with star anise. If you want to know how to make oils using this natural ingredient, leave me a comment in the section below. Also, I would love to know where you're watching me from. I love to talk to my audience. So please leave me a lovely comment in the section below. I would love to get to know you. Alright, so our next ingredient is the apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is really great for natural hair. When used on the hair, it can prevent dandruff, dry itchy scalp, or any scalp issues. This is how to use apple cider vinegar on the hair. You're going to pour just a little bit, about 1 tablespoon. Then you're going to top it up with water. Depending on the quantity you're making, just take in a measurement. Too much or too less will not harm you in any way. But just make sure it is really diluted. Just add as much water as you want. Alright, I'm going to show you what I'm going to use that for later on in the video. So let's go check on the 2 ingredients that are boiling. It's been about 20 minutes and it's all ready. This is the best way to strain flax seeds. Whenever you are straining flaxseed, make sure you strain it whilst it's still hot. Otherwise, it's going to thicken up and it's going to be a lot of work. And I don't want that for you. So always strain it whilst it's still hot. And this is my gel. It's looking all nice and yummy. Exactly what we need. I'm going to add some other ingredients to make it even work much better. But hey girl, if you're still watching me to this point, what are you waiting for? Give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs like these, you will be notified. On this channel, I do simple hairstyle tutorials and also I help you grow your hair using natural ingredients. So make sure to join us. So at this point, I'm going to add a conditioner. Just use any conditioner of your choice. The one you have in your home is good enough. Then after that, I'm going to add some castor oil. Just reading on the bottle, you will see so many benefits of castor oil. It will help condition your hair, make it smooth, silky, and soft. Alright, so after adding the castor oil, we're going to mix the two together. Because, the flaxseed is gel, it's a little hard to mix it together, but just do your best. Just mix it and whatever comes out, we're going to use it on the hair. And I'm going to show you the best way to use this for hair growth. You can add more of the conditioner if you wish, especially if you have thick hair, you need more of these ingredients. So let me show you how to use this. Alright, so I start by washing her hair. Then after that, I'm going to go in with the apple cider vinegar mixture that we just made. I'm going to pour it all over in her hair and massage it into her hair. What this does is it's going to cleanse her scalp and make it ready for it to absorb any good treatment. After using the apple cider vinegar, go in with a mild shampoo to wash your hair. I didn't want this video to be too long, so I cut that section out. So make sure you are washing your hair before using this remedy. All right, so after everything, we're going to apply the flaxseed mixed in with the castor oil as well as the conditioner. Massage this product in your hair and make sure every part of your hair gets some of this good yummy treatment. Let me tell you some benefits of using this treatment. Since the flaxseed has some slip to it, it makes detangling your hair much easier, especially when you have thicker, longer hair. This will help prevent hair breakages, and when your hair is not breaking, you end up growing thicker and longer hair. It also improves blood circulation, and when blood circulation is improved on your scalp, it promotes new hair growth. Remember, new hair always grows from the scalp. So any treatment that is treating your scalp is something that you really need to go to. After applying the treatment, make sure you go on with a shower cap just to make sure to keep in everything, and we're going to leave it for an hour. It's been after an hour and we just rinse it out with water. At this point, you go in with your favorite leave-in conditioner and make sure to massage it into your hair. After that, I'm going to go in with my flaxseed butter. I made this flaxseed butter myself. I'm going to leave the link in the description box, so make sure to check it out because this butter will help you grow your hair much faster and prevent hair breakages. Okay, so this is just one of my DIY recipes that I have been using to help you grow your hair. But if you want to know more recipes that can help you grow your hair, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to click on the bell so each time I upload new videos, you will be notified. Give this video a thumbs up, and before you leave, watch the video you see on your screen right now. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you at my next. Bye!